The Samsung? The Sony or Klipsch? Perhaps the JBL or the LG? Which one should you buy? In this video, we'll be looking at the top 5 soundbars with subwoofers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is the best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best soundbars with subwoofers. The 5th product on this list is the Klipsch Cinema 600. Are you looking for an audio experience that will make your ears perk up like a dog hearing the word treat? Look no further, my friend. This soundbar is the answer to all of your home theater sound needs. It delivers crisp highs and deep sub-bass that will make your couch shake like it's in an earthquake. This soundbar is the ultimate solution for delivering theater-level performance and features, with a subwoofer and wireless amplifier that provide deep, powerful bass. The soundbar has detailed and accurate sound for movies, games, and music when paired. The premium drivers and dual amplifiers feature 9 active speaker drivers, including a down-firing bass radiator with an integrated 100-watt Class D amplifier. Moreover, its 5.1-channel processing ensures that you will hear clear dialogue, whooshing sound effects, and explosions in the latest blockbuster. At the same time, the included wireless subwoofer gives you room-filling bass that can shake up even the biggest of spaces. We like the all-inclusive home theater system with a single remote control, which allows you to easily access everything from its sleek black finish or pair your favorite smartphone app. The design, for the home theater enthusiast, has a 3.1 system that includes a flexible HDMI audio return channel connector, allowing you to connect your favorite devices and play them through the soundbar or speakers in another room without additional cables. Furthermore, setup is quick and easy by utilizing a single remote control and cable connection between the soundbar and subwoofer. You can enjoy your favorite movie or music in minutes without any hassle. Its powerful sound can fill any room with a cinematic experience. So, what are you waiting for? Grab some popcorn, kick back, and let this soundbar take you on a sonic journey like no other. Its pros are its powerful audio performance with deep, theater-like sub-bass and crisp high-end definition. It can be expanded to a true 5.1 system, and it has a wireless subwoofer and Bluetooth streaming. However, it has no user-adjustable equalization for the frequency you desire. The Klipsch Cinema 600 is perfect for those looking for a soundbar that delivers powerful, high-quality audio performance with deep, theater-like sub-bass and crisp high-end definition. Up next in 4th place is the LG GX. Love movie nights with your squad? This soundbar with a subwoofer will level up your entertainment system. It'll give you a home theater experience with a sleek design, premium bass, and Dolby Atmos. You'll feel like you're in the middle of the action, with dynamic bass that'll shake the room. Not only that, you can stream your favorite tunes from your Bluetooth device or any USB audio device through the 3.5mm auxiliary input jack. And with a wireless subwoofer that delivers 300 watts of power through dual 10-inch woofers, you'll get full-range sound performance that'll blow your mind. And don't worry about space, this compact soundbar is perfect for smaller rooms and comes with premium construction and detailing that'll complement your TV or gaming console. The futuristic design will look amazing on your wall or in your living room. Even better, the high-resolution digital audio processor will capture sounds in perfect detail for crystal-clear dialogue. On top of that, the super low-profile front-firing subwoofer will give you deep, rich bass without taking up too much space. Experience stunning detail with the full HD 1080 pixel resolution and multiple HDMI inputs that allow you to connect up to 4 devices simultaneously. Get ready to be immersed in your favorite movies and shows with this stylish and easy-to-set-up soundbar. Its pros are, its sleek form factor is made of black plastic with a tight fabric wrap, so it will fit easily into any living room. Its high-resolution digital audio processor ensures you can hear every detail of the soundscape, and it has support for a companion app called LG Music Flow Bluetooth. However, it has down-mixed surround sound content because of the limited configuration. The LG GX is an ideal way to enjoy your favorite movies, TV shows, and music in a space that's big enough to fill with rich audio while maintaining perfect acoustics. Still haven't found a soundbar with a subwoofer that meets your needs? Well, keep watching, because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the JBL Bar 500. Get ready for the ultimate movie theater experience in the comfort of your own home with the JBL Soundbar. This amazing unit provides an expansive audio experience for every room in your house, thanks to JBL's multi-beam surround sound technology and 7.2-channel Dolby Atmos. It has 5 speakers built in, delivering cinema-quality sound with pure voice dialogue enhancement technology adding extra realism to movie dialogue. With 590 watts of total system output power, a 10-inch wireless subwoofer, and a wireless remote control with Sound Touch technology, you'll get immersive sound experiences that will make you feel like you're in a real movie theater. But wait, there's more! The wireless subwoofer delivers powerful bass throughout the room and automatically adjusts to your listening position for the best sound every time. The JBL 500 also includes Alexa voice capability, which means you can control music, TV shows, and other services hands-free. No need for extra remotes or keyboards, just sit back and enjoy. We also love that this soundbar has built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to play the latest content via an app or smartphone. You can explore music with Alexa voice commands or enjoy movies on your phone or tablet via Chromecast built in. Finally, with built-in Wi-Fi, AirPlay, and Alexa multi-room music control, you can enjoy your favorite tunes anywhere at home or on vacation. This soundbar is perfect for home theater enthusiasts or anyone looking for a fully integrated setup. So, what are you waiting for? Grab the popcorn and settle in for an amazing movie-watching experience. Its pros are, its soundbar has automatic calibration and a pure voice assistant, so you can control it with simple voice commands. Its subwoofer ensures deep, thumping bass in a large, spacious soundstage. And it utilizes Dolby Atmos, so you can enjoy a surround sound experience in your living room without rear speakers. However, its Bluetooth configuration can be hit or miss sometimes. The JBL Bar 500 is a fantastic option for any movie lover with limited space in their living room. With this unit, you can enjoy a surround sound-like experience with none of the setup hassle. The second product on this list is the Samsung HW-Q80R. Want to enjoy movies and music without a bunch of tangled wires? Look no further than this wireless subwoofer with Bluetooth and Alexa compatibility. With no need for extra cables, you can place the soundbar anywhere in your home and enjoy top-notch Dolby 5.1 audio while chilling with friends. But this subwoofer is more than just convenient, it's also seriously impressive. Dolby Atmos and digital theater sound technology give you an immersive experience with spatial cues that make you feel like you're part of the action. And with a 5.1.2 channel system, you'll get clear dialogue and volume control on every channel. Plus, the built-in speakers are optimized for high-quality vocals and deep bass that'll make you feel like you're in the front row. But what really sets this subwoofer apart is the adaptive sound technology. It automatically adjusts the sound based on where you're sitting, so you'll always hear dialogue clearly, no matter where you are in the room. And if you want to add even more bass, the optional wireless subwoofer is easy to set up and place wherever you like. So, whether you're binge-watching your favorite show or jamming out to some tunes, this subwoofer has got you covered. Plus, with compatibility for all major streaming services, you can stream your favorite content hassle-free. Don't settle for subpar sound. Upgrade to this premium product for the ultimate home entertainment experience. Its pros are, it is a clear, adaptive, and bright soundbar that will handle your television and movie sound with aplomb. It includes support for digital theater sound technology and Dolby Atmos, and it has a USB port for service updates, a button for Wi-Fi setup, a connector for the 2-pin power cable, and a button for pairing the wireless subwoofer and other speakers if need be. However, its setup is not particularly user-friendly. The Samsung HW-Q80R offers immersive surround sound, enhanced bass, and movie-style visuals. It comes with Bluetooth, a wireless subwoofer, and a wall mount kit, making it a versatile option for any home entertainment system. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top soundbar with a subwoofer is the Sony HT-A5000. Get ready to enjoy the thrill and experience of cinematic sound at home like never before with the ultimate soundbar and subwoofer combo on the market. The 5.1.2 channel Dolby Atmos soundbar is designed to provide you with a jaw-dropping 3D surround sound effect that will make you feel like you're a part of the action. Say goodbye to extra speakers cluttering up your living room because this soundbar comes equipped with a built-in subwoofer that delivers optimal audio output while still maintaining a stylish and modern design. But the best part? This soundbar is a breeze to set up and connects wirelessly to any device in your house. Its Dolby Atmos surround sound technology ensures that every character's voice and every action scene's sound is crystal clear no matter where you are sitting in the room. And if you're looking for even more convenience, you can use it with Google Assistant or Amazon Alexa to control your entire home entertainment system with ease. But what really sets this soundbar apart from the rest is its speaker configuration. With a vertical surround engine, you'll be transported to a virtual environment that will make you feel like you're sitting in a movie theater. And the built-in subwoofer with a 160mm driver delivers rich, powerful bass that will make every explosion and musical note feel like it's right in front of you. Overall, this soundbar is a game changer for anyone looking for a high-end home audio system that immerses them in their favorite content. Its sound field optimization technology ensures an easy setup, and it's compatible with 8K and 4K or 120 pass-through for the best visuals and gameplay experience. Don't settle for mediocre sound quality. Upgrade to the best soundbar and subwoofer on the market today. Its pros are, it offers frictionless setup and sound field optimization. It delivers a theater-like experience with a fully wireless speaker setup. It provides immersive Dolby Atmos performance so you can enjoy every film and game as if you're inside the screen. And its subwoofer is incredibly powerful, adding a whole new dimension to everything you listen to. However, it is a pretty large unit, so you will need some space to set it up. The Sony HT-A5000 is a brilliant device that offers realistic audio for immersive cinematic experiences. It gives you a more natural response and more powerful bass than most comparable soundbars on the market today without sacrificing audio quality, making it the best option for any home cinema. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.